Hi, I'm Lisa from 3D Printer Project Ideas. Have you ever wanted to design your own jewelry? This video is for beginners to get you going and making your own project. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these 3D printing earrings that I'm wearing. There's just one thing you need to make these earrings, and that is an image. And the image needs to be an SVG file. You don't need any CAD skills, computer-aided design skills to do this. You just need an image. If you like this project and would like to hear more 3D printer project ideas, please like and subscribe to my channel. Key to making these earrings is to pick out a good SVG image. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Image. There are ways to take a JPEG image and turn it into an SVG file. I have other videos on this topic. In this video, I just want to talk about finding good SVG files on the internet. So let's do a Google search to find a good SVG image that we can turn into earrings. The one limitation on the image is that it can't have a lot of detail. So when you're typing in search words in Google, you might want to type in business logo, silhouette, clip art. This is going to give you an image that doesn't have a lot of detail. The shape that I want to make is a teardrop earring. So the term I'm going to type in Google is going to be teardrop for the shape, SVG, because that's the kind of file I want, and I'm going to write in free. Here you can see the Google search that I just did. As I said, I typed in teardrop SVG free, and this is what popped up. When you're looking for a good image, make sure that your image has a hole in it so that you can put in the hardware to make it an earring. There are several files here that you can pick. A lot of them are free. Just be careful that you pick a free image rather than one that you have to pay for. You can always right-click on the image and then save image as. It will save either as a PNG or a JPEG file. If you do that, you're going to have to do the extra step of converting the JPEG into the SVG file. I have a different video on how to do this. If you want to skip that step and just get an SVG file, make sure that the image you select is an SVG file. If the image you have does not already have a hole in it to make it into an earring, what you can see in this picture, what they've done is just put the image in the shape that has a hole in it. The shape could be a teardrop earring, it could be diamond, a circle, whatever you want to make. All of these pictures, images that I've picked are just one color. You can do multicolor earrings, but that's one step more than a beginner video. I'll have another video on that. Think about the different images you could turn into earrings. You might like different patterns, or you might like an image like a skull, or different hobbies like dogs and cats and butterflies or birds. Whatever you like, you can search for an SVG image on that topic. Please type in the comments any thoughts you have about different types of earrings you could make. Now that we have the SVG file, we're going to import that image directly into a slicer program. Bamboo Studio Slicer program is a free program that you can download with the link below. And what this program is going to do is take that two-dimensional SVG file and add some depth to it and turn it into a three-dimensional object. I've saved the SVG file on my desktop and I simply will import it in. Now you can see the image on the plate. I'm going to scale this to the size I want my earrings. I'm going to click on the object. Actually, I'm going to, on the left menu over here where it says Global and Objects, I'm going to make sure I click on Objects. I'm going to click on this to select it. And then on the top menu, I'm going to go to the scale key. I'm going to unclick uniform scale because I don't want to scale this the same in all X, Y, and Z direction. The size I want my earring to be is 25 millimeters by 45 millimeters by 2. You can adjust it for whatever size that you like. Because this is an earring, I'm going to want 2 of them. I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to right click and do clone so I can get a duplicate. Then, so these aren't on top of each other, I'm going to auto arrange it. So on the top menu, I'm going to click this button that says arrange all objects. That will space it out better. The only thing left to do is to slice this. On the top right here where it says slice plate, I'll click that. And then it's gonna tell me how long it will take. At the bottom of this black menu, it says about 21 minutes. It's always a good idea to check the print profile to make sure there are no problems. On the far right here, you can see that we've got 50 layers. If I move it down, you can see how the model is gonna build up, and that looks good. The only thing left to do is to go to the top right and hit print plate. The other thing that you're gonna need is to get the earring wires. So you can go to Amazon and type in earring wires, and you will find lots of options on items you can buy for that. I hope you like this project. I'm Lisa Schaefer from 3D Printer Project Ideas, and I hope that you'll tune in for more videos. Bye for now.